On question number 3, the order is coming in for 3.5 milligrams of morphine. And for my final answer, I'm trying to fill up the syringe. So that's going to be in mLs. Okay, so using the dimensional analysis, I need to find my solution strength, which is right here. And I need the numerator of my first fraction to match my final units. So I'm going to write this as 1 ml over 8 mg. So I'm basically flipping it. And then I'm going to multiply this by the order that's coming in, which is 3.5. And let's see if our units match. The mg's will cancel out, and that will leave the mLs as our final units. So if I multiply the top, 1 times 3.5 is 3.5, and the bottom is just going to be 8. So 3.5 divided by 8 is going to be 0.4375 mLs, but I'm going to round to the nearest tenth, so it will be 0.4 mLs. And that is the one right before the half. And that will be our answer.